Go to Language in the menu bar and click the Customize button to enter the widget customization page. You can find our widget on the right preview page. First, select the way you want to embed the widget, whether it's floating or embedded into the page. After making your choice, use your mouse to move the widget to a position that you think is suitable. You can also customize the button and drop-down bar style. In the Style tab, you can customize the shape and text of the switcher. In the Advanced tab, you can set the currency display based on the customer's IP address. Alternatively, set the language display based on their IP address or browser settings. You can also switch to the mobile view to customize the switcher for the mobile experience.